Welcome, beautiful people, to D-Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D-Don is in the kitchen again today to show you a quick and easy recipe. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to all my YouTuber supporter, subscriber, a big welcome to you all. I really appreciate what you are doing on my channel, and without you I wouldn't have make it. Hope you are feeling good. So let's get started. I'm just gonna peel and cook the malanga or dasheen or tar. Yeah. One thing in Jamaica, they just call it dasheen. When we dig this stuff, they said it's dasheen, but it has so many names. Malanga, taya, you name it. So guys, all you need for this is a pot of boiling water, your salt, and your knife to peel it. So let us peel. Nowadays, when you buy this stuff, you have to hurry up and cook, else it spoil, and you got to show it out. Or you don't buy too much, just buy what you know you need. So beautiful people, you're watching me peeling this malanga, taya, or dasheen, and you like what you see, please to go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share this video with a friend, a friend and a friend, a friend of a friend, and a friend of a friend, and leave a comment. So now we finish peeling the malanga or the taya or the dasheen. You want to peel the top right here, and you see the top kind of soft. You see my finger sinking in it, so you don't want to buy these things, so you peel that part. Now everything is hard. This thing easily, like you put your finger going in it, it's no good. It's supposed to be tough, hard as a rock. Right, so now that we finish peeling, we're just gonna slice it up. You rinse under cold water. So with the pot boiling up, all you need to add to this is half a teaspoon of salt. This is the Himalayan salt, that's why you see those pink things in. Use a sea salt, whatever. And you place the taya, dasheen, or malanga in the boiling water. And you're gonna give this, let it boil like 15 minutes. In 12-15 minutes, it should be ready. And you cover the pot and let it boil and wrap it like medium heat. So you see, guys, the water of a purplish, a darkish color. And how do you know that the dasheen is cooked? Malanga or taya, when you insert a fork and the fork come from one side and come out on the other side, you know it's soft, it's cooked. And you don't want to make it stay in the pot to be overcooked. Okay, so this is cooked. See, it's cooked. As I put the fork, it's breaking away. So let me remove it. So now, my beautiful people, dasheen, malanga, taya is now ready within 15 minutes. This lovely, delicious menu you're looking on is ready. So guys, don't hesitate, give it a try. Surely you will like it. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment. So let me show you again that it's soft and ready for eating. You see? And you can have this with some stewed chicken, curry goat. You can have it with fish. I've done video on all of those stuff. So you see, very soft and tastes so good. You can eat it just as it is. So guys, love you all. Please be safe. Thank you for watching D Dawn Kitchen.